Welcome to TubeCore. Casual videos but hardcore knowledge. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, press that bell notification. Let's start the video.
Camtasia Toolkit review. Namaste friends and welcome to your channel TubeCore, and in this video we'll be talking about this Camtasia Toolkit. So this is the Camtasia Toolkit review. Right now we are on the sales page which says hundreds of editable animated elements for Camtasia, badges, lower thirds, pricing, labels, ribbons and more. Great for sales videos, spokesperson videos, VSLs or anywhere else you need text. Lots of different text variations included, transparent PNG files included, add the images on top of any background, commercial license included. So I think this is all self-explanatory. This is going to be a very short review. It says here introducing Camtasia Toolkit. These are the features. So all you are going to get are these video templates. You see here: wall break 3D animation, talking pug, animated 3D display, Ellie animated character, don't make her angry, retro TV, product discount, etc, etc, etc. So you can see all these samples. And if you need these 3D templates or VSLs or whatever, you can go and buy this product called Camtasia Toolkit. Here the pricing is showing $29, but somewhere I saw it was showing 37. So I'm not sure what is the actual pricing by the time this will be launching on 4th of September. So this price may change. It depends. I have no idea. Okay, so this will be launching on 4th of September. So by tomorrow, you will get to see the real pricing, and you may or you may not find the link below my video depending on if my links are approved or not. But this is all it, Camtasia Toolkit. If you work with Camtasia, then you can utilize these samples, sample templates. And this is mainly to do with the videos or video marketing, or if you create some promotional material. So either you can use them in your own projects, or you can maybe use them running some ads. If you run some video ads on Facebook, Instagram, or else you can use it to create some promotional videos for your clients if you're a freelancer. Okay, so yes, either you use it personally or you use it as a freelancer to create videos for clients and make some money with that. I think there's nothing much to talk here. We have, I guess 2 upgrades only. So this is deluxe template 47 graphic elements. So when you buy the front end, then you will be taken to these relevant sales pages of upgrades, and then you can decide which ones you need and which ones you don't. So help yourself, and we are nearly done here now because this is talking about videos. Okay, so you can make your videos more lively using 3D backgrounds, etc. However, right now the video which I am recording, it's a very basic video which you are listening, not watching. Actually, you're watching my laptop screen, but you're listening to me. So my video is purely and mainly so simple and so basic. I am only recording my laptop screen and I'm giving my voice. That's my video. The funny thing is, when you create these 3D videos or you do so much fancy editing, but there is no guarantee if those videos will make you money or not unless you sell those videos to somebody, or you maybe get some sales. Okay, so creating these fancy videos may or might make you money depending on what are your traffic strategies and sales strategies in the background. But this simple basic video which I'm recording right now, this YouTube video, is definitely making money for me right now. It already has made me the money actually. Okay, because you must have seen some advertisements in this video already. So in this YouTube video which you're watching my review, you have seen some ads, and this video has made money for me already, because YouTube pays me for these ads which people watch. Okay, so let's say 20, 30, 40 people watch the video and they watch those ads. This video will make me around maybe $3-4. Okay, so for 50 views I would say maybe $4-5. I don't know, right? It depends. So this is my point. What I do every day is I make my YouTube videos, and people like you, they watch YouTube videos, and I make my money, and this is what I carry on doing, and I'm growing my YouTube channel. So if you want to make money with videos, okay, all I'm trying to say is, if you want to make money with videos, then probably you can start with simple and basic videos. Okay, on a different level, if you go step by step, once you become an expert, then you can of course start editing everything, make it more fancy, and make it more engaging. But if your end goal is only to make money, then this is the best option you could see on the internet. Come on YouTube here, start making these simple basic videos like me, and people will be watching your videos, they will be listening to you. You don't even have to come on the camera if you don't want to, okay? And YouTube will be paying you, right? Now this is only possible if your YouTube channel is monetized. Monetized means you need to get 1000 subscribers and 4000 watch hours for your YouTube channel within last 1 year, okay? Now if you try to do this on your own, I am sure you will either quit or you will fail, okay? So you don't have to go and start doing everything, because there are people who know more than you. You have to agree that there are people who know more than me, and probably I might know more than you, okay? So you can take my help. You can go below my video, and the first link here, it says make money with Traffic Jarvis. This Traffic Jarvis will help you to make money on YouTube for rest of your life and for your entire generations to come. I hope you get the meaning of my sentence here. On YouTube, using Traffic Jarvis, you can make money not only for yourself, your entire generations to come, they can make money on YouTube as long YouTube is here. And I think we both agree that YouTube is the #1 video search engine, and it's not going anywhere, at least not for next 100 years or so, okay? So as long I am alive, I think YouTube is not going anywhere, and we all can make so much money on YouTube if you only start today. If you don't start today, you keep watching other people making money, and you can just sit back in your home and you can go to your office tomorrow morning, and the life continues as you have been living so far, okay? So Traffic Jarvis, you can check out, you can click on this link and you will see proofs as well, okay? I'm not talking about something, just in the air. You can click on this link here and you will see 2 methods on that page, email marketing and YouTube. And you will also see proofs how much money I have made so far by uploading videos, and you can do the same for yourself, right? Now, let me see if we have anything else to cover. No, Camtasia Toolkit, it's a very, very short review. You have nothing to, there's nothing here to lucrate you. It's a very simple basic offer. They are not claiming that you will become rich or you will make so much money, so I like it. Sales page is quite straight to the point. Sample templates are right in front of you. If you want them, go and get them. If you don't want them, then life carries on, right? But yes, the only reason I record these videos so that I can tell you or show you with proofs that what actually makes money on the internet, okay? People can keep talking about do this, do that, go and join some Facebook groups, maybe go and do what? Facebook spamming and Instagram and this Twitter and TikTok, okay? But understand one thing here. Recently, I saw a post on Facebook. I have joined, a group. For example, this one, okay? This one here, you see, the third link says make 120 recurring commission. So I'm a part of their Facebook group community, and in that group, somebody, somebody shared this post that they were using TikTok to bring traffic, and it was working fine. But then TikTok started removing their videos. TikTok shut down their account in the name of some policy violation, okay? So this is what I teach or recommend or tell everybody in my videos. I have been telling all this from last 14 months that do not try to waste your time and do not try to grow your traffic on such method which is not in your control, okay? Facebook can take you down anytime, Instagram can take you down anytime, TikTok can take you anytime. These are not your websites. You are not in control, you are not in charge. If they don't like you, they'll kick you out. And these are examples of others. I have experienced all this many years ago. And a person like me will never waste time on doing something which does not have a life, okay? So if we talk about YouTube, I can see that YouTube is the future, because you grow your channel, and if you do everything ethically, legally on YouTube, you will not be in problems. You can, there are millions of people who are earning millions or billions on YouTube without any problems, and they have been doing this from last 15 years or so. So if you want to go and get your YouTube channel monetized and start your online journey, because this YouTube will definitely make money. There are 10,000 ways. You go and try them. They might make money. Do you understand the difference between may, might and will? If I say this might make money, this may make money, but Traffic Jarvis will make money. Will means guaranteed, sure, just like your death. Your death is guaranteed. It's gonna come and take your soul away. Death is guaranteed, right? The same way, nobody says, oh, you may die, you might die. You will die. You will die when the time comes. That is certainty. Your death is certain. You cannot stop it. The same way, if we talk about this method may make money, that method might make money, but that's assumption. That's not guaranteed. But if you go and try traffic service and work on YouTube, it will make money. Will, surely, guaranteed, certain, if you put in the work. Okay, so do one thing here before you click on this link. Subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, press the bell notification, and if you want to support and contribute to the channel, then you can use the super thanks button and leave your colorful comments. And subscribe and like is mandatory. So if you are watching this video, if this video is reaching to you somehow, and if you want to or wish to watch my videos in the future, then you have a responsibility that you have to subscribe to my channel and hit the like button. Okay, it's free and you have to do it. It's not a choice. The only choice you have is either subscribe and like and continue watching my videos. But if you do not want to subscribe, or you don't like my videos, or you think it's too much work for you to press these two buttons, then please leave, do not watch my videos, and do not come back. We have a choice here. It is my requirement. I am the owner, I'm the owner of this channel, TubeCore. So I have this requirement set. If you wish and want to watch my videos today and in the future, you have to subscribe, you have to like. It's free, okay? There's no choice. But if this is too much for you, if I'm asking too much, then please leave and do not watch my videos. It's a humble request, okay? We as in me, I only want people who are actually serious and they are good listeners. If you're impatient, there's no point you being here, okay? We have to be on the same page, otherwise we need to carry on doing whatever we have been doing in our lives. Okay, subscribe, like, it's free, because this work which I am doing, nobody else will do it at my speed. Okay, I have made 1,000 reviews already in 14 months, and other people make reviews too, but not at this speed. Okay, so these videos are helpful for you people. If you want to make a buying decision, you need to make sure you come and watch the review on my channel before you actually invest your money, because there will always be methods or software or courses which will actually waste your money. There will be hardly 1% of the courses which will be useful, and eventually by the end of the day, there are only two methods which makes money. One is YouTube, number one, which you will see inside traffic service, and second is email marketing. And if you click on this link, you will learn both the methods, email marketing plus YouTube, and then you will be set for life. Okay, so yes, if you agree with me, then subscribe and like. If you don't agree with me, then probably you can do this better than me. Okay, so if you can go and make these YouTube videos, that will be my success, because I want you to motivate I want to motivate you people, that you come on YouTube and make videos, or whatever you can do. Okay, write if you can write, speak if you can speak, scream if you can scream, and if you cannot do any of that, then stand with the person who's screaming for you. Thank you very much. Subscribe and like. It's free and mandatory. Now I'll show you how to make money with traffic service. So once you click on the first link below my YouTube video, it says make money with traffic service, and then you will be taken to this website which says finally proven methods for making real money online from home, even if you're a brand newbie. Option number one is email marketing. Option number two is YouTube traffic service. So this traffic service will help you to monetize your YouTube channel within 30 days as soon as possible, and it will help you to get those 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, which are required to get if you want to make money on YouTube without selling anything. Okay, so before I talk about traffic service in detail, first of all, let's talk about this email marketing method here. So you can also make money with email marketing just by sending one email per day, but you need a lot of numbers. Okay, you need to have thousands and thousands of email addresses into your list, and then only you can go ahead and make some money with email marketing. So if you want to grow your email list without buying some paid ads, then you can try this system which you see right now on the screen. This will give you 100 email leads from US, Canada, Australia, from those countries, and you will also be allowed to send emails to these leads once per day. So by the end of the month, in 30 days, you will have 3,000 leads minimum, and you will be able to send them emails 30 times, in a month, right? So here are the proofs. You can see they have made 15,000 plus with the system. They have made 15,000 plus with the system. I have made 377 so far, and when I am recording this video, You might be watching this video in my on my YouTube channel, but these data will change because this is a recurring commission. Okay, so these numbers keeps adding every month, and this number will change. I don't know when you're watching this video, so whatever numbers you will see, those will be the updated numbers. Okay, and then if you want to learn how to use the system, then go and click on this play button, go on the next page, enter your name and email address, click on this watch free video, then go back to your email, verify your email. Once you have verified your email, then you will be taken to this video. Watch the video and take action, because if you take action, I'll send you some bonus email stripes. Okay, now let's talk about YouTube traffic service, because on YouTube, again, you can make money for the rest of your life without selling anything. Click on the play button here, go on the next page, enter your name and email address, click on this red button, go back to your email, verify the email. Once you have verified your email, then you will be taken to the traffic service video. Watch the video, take action, because you can see the proofs here. This is the money I have made just by uploading videos without selling anything, because my YouTube channel is monetized, and you must have seen some ads in my YouTube videos. So the more people see these ads in my YouTube videos, the more money this video is gonna make for me. Okay, the same can be done for you too. You can go and get your YouTube channel monetized with the help of traffic service within maximum 30 days, and after that your job is simply to upload videos every day on your channel and make this kind of money. Okay, and you can see here, this is the money I have made by doing some reviews on my YouTube channel. My primary source of income is YouTube ad revenue. Just upload videos, make money, no selling required. Okay, and again, these numbers will change, these numbers will grow, because again, I'm telling you, this is a recurring commission system. So right now, if it shows 560, in the future it might be well above 600 or 700. So the data will be changing when you're watching the video in the future. Okay, all right, great. So we have these two methods, email marketing and YouTube. Now, if you can master these two methods, you will never need to learn any third way to make money online. So go and check this out. And then we have this link says get kiss tracking, keep it simple stupid. Kiss tracking is all about doing what I'm doing right now. So in case if you are interested in learning how to do these reviews on your YouTube channel, if you want to know how to find these products, how to get your affiliate links approved, and how to upload these videos on your YouTube channel, then you can go through this kiss tracking training, and this kiss tracking will also be available inside traffic service. Okay, and then we have the third link. It says make 120 recurring commission. Let's click on this one. This is for people who know how to sell, or maybe you have some kind of experience online. So just go and enter your name and email first, and then click on email me my free ebook. Then go back to your email address, click on the verification email, and then you will be given your ebook. Go and read the ebook if you want to join the system and take action, because you have to go and sell this system to others, because this system can make you up to $120 from one person, from one sale. Okay, so if you can bring in, let's say 10 people into the system, those 10 people can make you up to $1,200 every single month. Okay, so this is a recurring system, and they will give you the proper training inside how to go and try free traffic or paid traffic. So you will have all the training inside too, but it is good if you have some experience already. And experience means if you already have a YouTube channel, or maybe you have an email list, or you have some kind of audience, and you can go and promote this product. So that will give you quick boost. Okay, so this is it. These were the links, and I would say go and check them out. If you want to make money without selling anything for the rest of your life, then you can go for traffic service YouTube method. YouTube is absolutely free, and it's entirely on you. The more you work, the more money you will make. Here is the example, as you can see. And email marketing, you have to go and start doing it, because you have to wait for the numbers to grow, because in 1 month you will be getting 3,000, and that means you have to spend 2, 3, 4, 5 months before you can get up to those 10 or 15,000 email addresses. Okay, so all these methods are working for me. They will work for you too if you know how to make them work. Okay, so again, in the end, go and check everything, and thank you so much for watching the video so far, and subscribe. I have told you, YouTube does not allow me to subscribe to my own channel, so you gotta do it. Subscribe, like, leave your colorful super comments here, and thank you for watching the video again. I guess I'll see you in my next video shortly. Till then, baba tai tai. That means tada bye bye.